Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Today we will continue our technical analysis on Tesla. Today is August the 10th. At the time of this recording, it is 2:45 Eastern Standard Time. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a growth stock investor and a trader, and I particularly love trading Tesla. I'd love to share with you my investing and trading journeys. Other than that, let's get right into it. We are looking at Tesla at $710. It is down almost 0.5%. We still have about an hour and 15 minutes left to go for the day. So we don't know where Tesla will end, but if it ends around 710, then really it's just another consolidation candle here. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Morning, Tesla started out going down pretty fast and furious. It went all the way below 704, which is a decent support here on my chart, and then bounced back, ended the hour right on 704, and then start bouncing from there. And it managed to go up to about 716 on the high end, and still right now just moving sideways for the last 2 hours. For the trading range tomorrow, it does not seem to change so much from today. On the higher end, we're at 724. In the midpoint, we're at 710, which is right where Tesla's at right now. And on the bottom end, we're looking at 702. Drilling down to the 15-minute chart here, yesterday was a consolidation day. Today was very interesting. It's technically a consolidation day, but the first hour of the day was pretty interesting. So it sold off like there was no tomorrow. The volume right now is only 54%. We only have about an hour and 15 minutes to go, and we're only at 54%, which means we probably would end the day at around 60 to 65%, and that is another low volume day for Tesla. So with that low volume day, it is not as surprising that it is still within a consolidation range. I'd like to see Tesla get to above 726, which is the high pivot point of today, sometime this week, in order for it to continue bullish next week. Some of you have asked me what my vision on Tesla for by the end of the week or by the end of next week. To be honest with you, my guess is just as good as anyone's guess. In order for it to make a move in the outside of the consolidation range right now, it needs a catalyst. Whether it's an analyst upgrade, analyst downgrade, whether Elon Musk tweeting something, we really don't know. I don't think that it's fair to you that I would make a guess by the end of the week, because if there is a catalyst tomorrow, and if Tesla somehow make it above 726, I think the chance of it getting to 746 is very high, and subsequently 768, as I mentioned in my last video. If we see a catalyst, then I could tell you where Tesla could be ending given the catalyst and the magnitude of the catalyst. Usually a move needs to be triggered before it is moving furious one way or another, and that is where we would enter a trade when we see the signal for a trigger, whether it's a news trigger or a technical trigger. Right now, I don't see any trigger yet, but I do notice that there is a 4-hour bull flag. I'm on a 4-hour chart right now. There's a 4-hour bull flag. If I were to draw this flag, it would be something like this. So this yellow line, these yellow lines that I just drew would be the 4-hour bull flag, and the first price target would be around 751. The second price target would be somewhere in the 780 range if I were to follow the 4-hour bull flag. So you kind of see the price target is also in line with my previous resistance here, and you kind of take the 4-hour bull flag price targets in conjunction with the resistance. So the story is that Tesla needs to get to above 720 to be safe, above 726. Then the first price target is 746, then 751, then 768, and then 779, 780. So I redrew the bull flag here, the 4-hour bull flag that I just mentioned. And here is what I'm going to pay attention to. If Tesla gets to about 720, I'm going to pay very close attention to it. And if it breaks out of 720 and gets 724 to 726, which is the previous hourly high here, I will enter a call and wait until it go all the way back to either 746 or 752 to take that call off. So some will even ask me, why don't you buy the call option now? It'll be cheaper than when Tesla get to 720, because right now it's only at 709 or 710. If you buy now and it breaks out, arguably your investment will be less. I don't think that's a good idea because you don't see any kind of trigger right now to enter that call option. For all intents and purposes, Tesla can consolidate all the way until August 17, for example. That's a few days out, and whatever call option you buy, you will lose money on it if Tesla just consolidate. And when I say Tesla consolidate, it could move up and down in a day within $20 range. It's still within the consolidation range. And if it moves $20 away from your target, then you're definitely going to lose a lot of money. So what I'm doing right now is just waiting for a catalyst or a trigger from a technical standpoint, which is when Tesla gets to above 720 and hold above 720 for me to enter that call. This is it for this video. I hope you find the information helpful. Like I said, I'm trying to update you guys as much as I can this week, since it is a potentially eventful week leading into AI Day. But we will have to be patient and study the chart every day in order to get the right opportunity to make a trade. If you are an investor, like I said yesterday, there is nothing to worry about. I think the chart is very bullish in the short term, and Tesla overall is very bullish from a fundamental standpoint in the long term. So happy trading, happy investing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.